through the phone. Gotta have that phone. Ow. So, hi, I'm Shoni Flowers of Flowers University, and this is a little Let's Talk. Today, the topic is cockiness versus confidence. What is a cocky person and what is a confident person? There is a thin line between cocky and confidence, okay? So, a cocky person. What is a cocky person? Somebody that is conceited, ignorant, and vain. A person who feels superior in their needs, opinions, and self-importance. Speaks highly of themselves. They're quite prideful and indulge in their own well-doings. Their appearance is to be noted and acknowledged. They think they'll gain popularity with obscene and obscure behavior. They never see things from others' perspective. They lack compassion towards anyone. They insist that people should fold into their lifestyles. So, ask yourself, do I fit in any of those categories? Now let's go over to confidence. Confidence, someone who has grit, tenacity, and certainty. A person who is balanced in their thinking. They're humble in all things. They possess the ability to level out their independence, power, and will, never obsessing over their qualities. This person knows how to take a compliment without becoming big-headed. Most importantly, they obtain self-assurance. They remain themselves in any circumstance, encourages people to live outside of the box. Okay? So, ask yourself, do I fall in any of those categories? Let's level out the playing field here. How do we go from being cocky to being confident? One thing that I know for sure is give more thank yous than I knows. Like, oh girl, you look good. I know. Don't do that. Oh girl, you look good. Oh girl, thank you. See? Confident, but not cocky. It's a thin line between love and hate. Say it with me. It's a thin line between love and hate. What does a cocky person do? How do they respond? How do they carry themselves? Insecurities are loud. If you're insecure, or if you're insecure in a certain area, or when somebody knock at that insecurity, you become loud and you start to behave in a manner that's not like a lady. So instead of being cocky in certain areas, you have to become more confident. Give more thank yous than I knows. Okay, that is the key. Give more thank yous than I knows. People should pay compliments. It's not hard to get a compliment, but when you get a compliment, baby, don't let it go to your head. A confident person is relaxed. Like, they don't have to try hard. Like, a confident person is not afraid to say, you know, it's not perfect today. A cocky person would never admit that it's not perfect. They would never admit the truth. Sees the difference between thank yous and I knows. So there's this concept that I came up with, and it's called the flowers and the bees. It's not the birds and the bees, flowers and the bees. So what does bees do in the springtime? What do they do in the summertime? They go from flower to flower to flower to flower to flower to flower to flower. And while they're going to their flowers, they're picking up pollen. They're pollinating. My concept is, you be kind, be loving, be thoughtful, be smart, be brilliant, be phenomenal, be chutzpah. That means to be fearless. Be chutzpah. Be all of these things towards yourself and others. Because when you're a flower and you're being all of these things, you're dropping pollen, which is kindness, which is love, which is respect. You're dropping it off into somebody else, and then they will be able to grow and become the blossoming flower that they should be. Okay, so everybody has to be something. Be kind, be loving, be smart, be thoughtful, be respectful, be diligent. Be confident. Like, if you just be confident and, you know, pay a compliment forward, that could just let somebody know, like, ooh, well, she just did that for me. You know, I'm going to do that for somebody else. Like, you're dropping little popping powers into somebody else. Okay, so that's what it's about. Being able to drop confidence or love or kindness or respect into somebody else so they can grow and learn the things that you have done on that day. The weekly challenge is search within yourself to see where you measure on the scale. Are you more cocky or are you more confident? Because there's a thin line between love and hate. This week, I want you to check within yourself. When somebody gives you a compliment or somebody says something to you, how are you responding? Are you responding in a cocky way or in a confident way? So, this is me, Shanae Flowers, signing off from Flowers University. I love you, girls. And just remember, if anybody didn't tell you today, girlfriend, just know that I love you. And you are smart, you are kind, you are all that in a bag of chips, girlfriend. Just in case nobody didn't tell you today, just know you are thebomb.com, okay? Love you, girl.